time to score.
Oh, high-quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second.
Juventus are making a change now.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done.
Bernardeschi is fouled.
Time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
And the shot! A great save, real class.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Messi,
A regular corner taker. And it's been taken short.
Oh, well defended, that had to be done.
Messi,
Plays it short. And the shot!
Decent enough try.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
It is just a question of running down the clock now.
Added time is up, and there goes the whistle.
Terrific contest. It really might have